Hello viewers, I Vinod Kumar Chauhan welcomes you in my YouTube channel CQ means Chauhan Coaching Classes. Video we are going to solve the question number 5 of exercise 5.2 chapter 5 understanding elementary shapes. Question number 5 says find the number of right angles turned through by the hour end of a clock when it goes from 3 to 6. Here we are talking about the hour end of a class. It is hour end of a class, this is clock. So first we draw the clock. Now we are drawing the hour end from in between 3 to 6. Suppose initially the hour end is on 3. Now it turns in a clockwise direction. This is the clockwise direction and now it goes to the 6. It reached here. So one angle is created here. It is the right angle 90 degree, and in one right angle we reached from 3 to 6. So our answer is 1 right angle. 2 to 8. So now we draw one more clock and in which we show initially the 2. This is 1, this is 2, and here it is the second number 8. After 6 it is 7 and this is 8. Now we join 2 with the center with the 2. Initially we situated here on the 2 and now we start rotation, start moving in a clockwise direction. It is clockwise direction and we reach data 8. So we can easily observe it is a straight angle. It is a straight angle of 180 degree and 180 degree is divided by 2 gives you the 90 degree. It means what? It is a right angle. How many right angles are here? There are 2 right angles. How many right angles? 2 right angles are there. So in the answer we write, when we move from 2 to 8, there are 2 right angles. 6. How many right angles do you make if you start facing the part A south and turn clockwise to west? In this question we are talking about the directions. So first we draw the directions. It is north, south, east and west. According to the question, we start facing south. Initially we are facing the south direction and then we turn clockwise. This is the clockwise turn and then we reach to the west. This is our west. So which angle is here? How many right angles are there? It is created one right angle. So we write here in answer, when we start facing south and reach to the west, we create a one right angle. Now the part B, this time we start facing the north and turn anti-clockwise to the east. So initially we are here in the north. We turn anti-clockwise. This is the anti-clockwise direction and this is the anti-clockwise direction, and then finally we reached at the east. So finally we reached at the east. So it is our, in between north to west, it is right angle. In west to south, one more right angle. In south to east, one more right angle. So it is 1, it is 1, it is 1. How many right angles are there? So there are 1, 2 and 3 right angles. So our answer is 3 angles. Question number 7. Where will the hour end of a clock stop if it starts part A from 6 and turns through one right angle. For solving this question, first we draw the clock. So this is the clock in which the R end is moving. Initially it is situated at 6. So first we draw this. And turns through one right angle. One right angle means, suppose this line and this is one right angle. So we start from the 6 and after completing a one right angle of 90 degree, we move to 9 in a clockwise direction. So our final answer is, where will the R end? The R end at 9 o'clock. Part B. This time we start from 8 and turns through two right angles. For the solution of this question, first we draw the clock. In a clock, 8 is where it is. After 6, 7, 8. It is 8. First we join this 8 with the center. And then turns through two right angles. So it is 1 right angle and 1, 2, 3. This is the second right angle. So finally we reach data 2. So this time it is 180 degree. 180 degree means 180 degree divided by 90. So there are two right angles. We reach data 2. 2 o'clock.